Okay, alright, so as you can see with this diamond trellis stitch, this is how it's going to look once we have everything worked up. I do have this on this pattern and one of my other patterns. It's really fun once you get started on it. It creates a really great texture and you can kind of add it just to anything. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I did go ahead and start this off. So we have a half double crochet row, a single crochet, and then a half double crochet row. And then we're going to be starting here at the end. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and wrap this twice because we are going to be starting off on the first leg of a treble crochet. Now we're going to be working into this row, so your single crochet row. And for this one, we are going to skip this first stitch, so this first single crochet, go into the second one. Loop over, pull up a loop, so you should have 4 on your hook. But for this one, since it's the edge, we're going to go ahead and complete the treble crochet. There you go. This is the front post treble crochet. This is the first one. Now we're going to do 3 half double crochets. So now that we've done the 3 half double crochets, now we're going to do a 2-legged front post treble crochet. So what we're going to do is we are going to start the first part of this on the same stitch. So we're going to loop over twice, go in on the front because this is a front post, loop over, pull up a loop. So again, you should have 4 loops on your hook, pull through 2. You should have 3. We're going to loop over, pull through 2 more, where you're going to have 2 left on your hook. And then you're going to get this nice V here. So now that we have this one, we're going to loop over twice to go ahead and do our next leg of the treble crochet. So we're going to count 3 stitches, so 1, 2, 3. So we're going to be roping around this single crochet. Over, pull up a loop. Now this time you should have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go ahead and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, so you should have 3 left. Then we are going to pull through all 3. Okay. And then that counts as your stitch. So on here we are going to half double crochet in 3 of them. See? And now what you're going to do is for the remainder of the row, you are going to work in the last leg that you had completed. Skip 3 of the single crochets, go into the 4th one, and continue until the end of the row. And as you can see with this, you do have these and then you have this background stitching. So what we're going to do is after you finished this row, you're going to go ahead and do another half double crochet row, so that also will bring you to the front of your project, and then you'll have a background here. So what we're going to do with this one, so we did already go ahead and chain 1, so we're going to go ahead and chain another one because we're going to be working with some trebles today. Now loop over. See this leg? We're going to go into this one. Once you get your initial row done, you just essentially are going to go back through and you're going to make the tops of the diamonds. Okay, so it looks like we're going to be making another one like this, but actually what we are going to do, before you finish out that treble crochet, loop over again twice, and we're going to go into this one. Loop over again, and pull through the 3. this will create the diamond look for the diamond trellis. Then we're going to go ahead and do our half double crochets. So we can move along to the next one. So same thing, we're going to go into this one. And we are going to go into the next one. Then you will continue that, going into this one and this one on the next row, and then again like we're doing here, going into these on the following, and then you can make it however big or short you want. This is just 2 full ones. It is entirely up to you. This is something that's super customizable, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.